Hey guys, today I'm making listing videos for my latest mug release and I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. The cool thing about the specs for Etsy's listing videos is that they have a maximum length of 15 seconds, there's no sound, and they can be any orientation that you like. This makes it really easy to repurpose social media videos as videos in your Etsy listing. I think whatever we can do to get videos in those video slots on our Etsy listings is a net positive. I personally try to make listing videos specifically for a shop platform. I use them on both Etsy and Faire. I'm not super fancy pants about it at all. I'm a guerrilla DIYer. My goal is to make effective, solid videos that show the product realistically and do the job they need to do. I recognize their importance and I really try to aim to do quality videos, but I really don't want to spend a lot of time on them. I'll show you how I do it from recording to editing so it's quick, and then how they look in my listings once they're up. So let's do this. I'm now in my editing software, Screenflow, but you can do the same steps that I'm doing here with any video editing software. My template file here is 1080 by 1080, and at about the 13-second mark, I have an end screen with my logo. I'm importing that one long mug video that I just took. Then I go through that one long video and split the video one mug at a time. I then take that split clip and edit that video into a 15-second long video for my listing. Right before I export that video out as an MP4, I go back to the master video on the timeline and I copy it. I do this right before exporting the individual video, so I make sure to keep the master video in the memory of my computer and I don't copy anything else over it. Then I just delete it from the timeline right before I export it. So then I export the 15-second video, and then once that's finished exporting, I go on and paste the master video back into the timeline, delete the footage from the video that I just exported, and then I use the master video to edit out another mug, and then I just repeat the process over and over until all of my mugs or products have a 15-second video made. This makes the process go by really quick. I'm exporting the individually edited 15-second videos, but I'm not saving out individual working documents. I only save a working document of the template, and then I just reuse that over and over. So it's ready for whenever I need to make more listing videos. So here I am in my listing. The second photo is always where the video listing ends up, and there's my video listing. Pretty cool. I hope this video was helpful for you today. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Kathy. I'm an independent artist who has built a full-time creative career with multiple income streams, and I'm here to share my experience with you and to help you do the same. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can get more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.